This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Michael Mikula. Experience the best of Florida living. Step into your personal paradise with this stunning Lennar-built Trevi floor plan pool home, offering 4 spacious bedrooms and 3 full baths across 2,023 square feet of beautifully designed living space. Mirada is a unique solar community which saves significantly on utilities. The heart of the home features a chef-inspired kitchen with granite countertops, abundant workspace, and a sleek built-in layout, perfect for everything from casual breakfasts to holiday feasts. The open concept design seamlessly connects the kitchen, dining, and living areas, creating an ideal space for entertaining and everyday comfort. Retreat to your expansive primary suite, complete with walk-in closets and a spa-like bathroom featuring dual vanities, a walk-in shower, and a soaking tub for ultimate relaxation. Enjoy ceramic tile flooring in the main living areas and plush carpeting in the bedrooms. The epoxy-coated garage easily accommodates 2 vehicles, a second refrigerator, and extra storage for all your gear. Step outside to your extended screened lanai, an inviting space for al fresco dining, lounging by the pool, or hosting weekend gatherings. It's the perfect blend of indoor-outdoor living. Nestled in the sought-after Mirada community, you're close to the vibrant Fort Myers River District, pristine golf beaches, championship golf courses, marinas, top-tier medical facilities, shopping, dining, and major airports. Your Florida dream starts here. Don't miss your chance to own a slice of paradise. For more information, review the details below.